Somebody's yelling at you. Maybe it's a coworker, maybe it's family, maybe it's somebody you love. And everything in you wants to either yell right back or shrink down to nothing. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You can't control their behavior. You can only control how you respond and how you take care of yourself afterward. So let's talk about how to hold on to your peace when somebody else is losing theirs. The first thing you do is get back in your body. When somebody raises their voice, your body wants to panic, so you plant your feet. You relax your shoulders, you feel the floor or the chair underneath you, and you remind yourself, I am safe right now. Then you breathe before you say a single word. Slow breath in for 4 counts, hold it for 4, and let it out for 6. Do that 2 or 3 times. That isn't weakness. That's you giving your mind the room to think clearly instead of just reacting. Now here's the part that sets you free. Their yelling is about them, not you. Most of the time it's stress or frustration or something going on in their life that you can't even see. So don't pick up what was never yours to carry. Say it to yourself, this is not about my worth. Because it isn't. Their volume doesn't get to decide your value. And while they're loud, you stay steady. Speak slowly. Keep your voice soft. Don't match their volume and don't match their energy. Because the moment you do, you've handed them your peace. Your calm isn't you being weak. Your calm is your power. A steady voice in a loud room is the strongest thing in it. And if you need to, set a boundary. It's okay to protect yourself. You can simply say, I'm not comfortable being yelled at, and then step away if you can do it safely. Because at the end of the day, you can't control their behavior. You can only control your response, your choices, and your peace. So stay in your lane and let them sit with theirs. And when it's over, don't just move on like nothing happened. Give yourself time to reset. Do something that calms your mind and your body. Rest. Move a little. Write your thoughts down. Talk to somebody you trust. And be kind to yourself, because going through that takes something out of you, and you deserve to pour it back in. So remember this. You deserve respect. You deserve peace. And you have every right to protect your energy. The next time somebody raises their voice, you don't have to raise yours. Stay calm, stay you. You've got this.